We've been staying out here at the beach for the past couple of days. Decided to get out of Valladolid a little bit. Come hang out by the water. This dog has been hanging out with us since yesterday. She spent the whole day hanging out with us at the beach, and then her dad came and picked her up. Picked her up in the truck at the end of the day. It was so cute.
Ciao.
It's that ride. First stop, gotta get some food. Los tiburones.
Can I steal a dip of your beans?
Yeah. Do you know what picuda means?
What is it?
Picuda.
Where do you see it?
Across the street.
I don't know. In case you had any doubt whether we could eat all this food. What's the damage?
243. That's like $12. Launching the drone. Yeah, a little bit.
Over there, right?
Yeah. Past those green bushes. They're like out that way.
The right stick makes the drone move left and right like this. The left stick makes the drone turn to the left and turn to the right like this. Rotate.
Okay.
Left stick all the way down, just hold it down. Yeah! You did it! Woo!
Oh my god, that was so stressful. Holy shit.
I told you. All right, now pick it up.
Oh my god.
Can you imagine having a kid?
Oh no. I can't imagine having a kid.
Look what Gabby found.
Some flamingo feathers.
We didn't really find any flamingos to speak of yet. Just one that we could see, but
So delicate and like just really wispy. But look at this little tiny one. It's so pink.
oh my gosh. One of the #1 hazards of driving in Mexico are topes. It's we call them speed bumps, but either way, they will fuck up your car. The problem with these topes is they just come out of nowhere, and oftentimes they don't have any signs whatsoever, so you just hit them and you don't even necessarily see it coming.
We are getting cocos frios.
These are so good. Like really, really, really good. I'm not just saying that for the vlog. We're so good at making a mess. Last cup of coffee before we hit the road. Gotta get back to Valladolid and those two cute dogs. Once we get all this shit packed up. You're blocking the car. You don't want us to leave. Don't leave. Oh, we're gonna miss you. It's been a wonderful 3 days at the beach. Just what we needed after being in Valladolid for about a month. Car is packed, we're ready to go. See you later. We literally haven't even been in the car 2 minutes and we already found some flamingos. This is going to be a very different day from yesterday.